Everybody, it's me, Oleot, and today we are playing I Am Cat again. And I have already I've already recorded a video where I was in the street, but my mic didn't work, so now I have to do it all again, and that's why I'm a little late. So I'm sorry. I hope you guys will please forgive. Let's just begin, and my battery is really low, so I need to make this quick. Okay, and now we're here. And for this map, I'm making two parts. So one where I'm down here, and all of are we going to see in the next video. The treehouse is also in this video, and also that thing over there. But that thing is coming in the part 2, because that. I will have made this for a long video, but the update in I Am Cat is a little delayed, so that just means that I've just made part 2 because the maps ain't really out, so they're getting kind of delayed. There's 6 new maps, and I'm hoping that they will come out soon. So yeah, let's begin with this first. That thing, are we going to there was something very exciting in there. We're getting there later in this video. We have a picnic. What's inside this? Oh, nothing. There's a volleyball. Oh, there's a basketball over here. Oh, there's 2 balls. Okay, if I make this shot, then you guys have to subscribe. Oh my god, that was really bouncy. I'm just gonna try this again. I didn't know. Yeah. No. Still subscribe. Hey, we're getting a lot of subscribers. It's crazy how I just grow up. And I like it. Oh yeah. And you can paint. We have green, purple, blue, yellow, and red. Pink. Yeah, now it's getting a little more. Now this house is. Now it's beautiful. Now it's beautiful. Okay, yeah, let's go to next area. Dang it, this map is really big. Okay. Yeah, we're here at the burnt place, and it was actually me that I burnt this. Oh, that's also the reason why there was painting of me. Just yeah, it was me. I set the fire on. But I also watered it. Oh, what it's called? So I turned the. What is it even called? Yeah, I'm criminal in this world. I don't know if I'm really allowed to say that. So yeah, we got nothing actually here. We got some spray paint. Like I don't know if I can spray paint. Oh, I can. Hey, something happened. Oh no. Oh yeah, this is actually a really beautiful map. Look at that. I'm so excited for the next video. So yeah, let's also just take it over here. There wasn't even that much over there. So first of all, we have got some duck. No, don't go. Oh, you want some bread? Oh yeah, of course. Oh, you hungry? What's an apple? No, you don't like apples, but you love bread, of course. Maybe see this. Oh, oops, I accidentally. Well, you eat all the food. What about the 2 other stuff? Wait, I need a picture of this. I need a picture of this criminal. Now I'm not the criminal. Now this one is the criminal. Let me take a picture, then I will. Ow. So. No. Okay, are you ready? Smile. Wait, that wasn't really that a smile, but okay. Like this. No. Much better. Now I have you on camera. Oh no. Now it's all good. Don't forget these things. It was just a bird. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's go up here. And such. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go up here. And up here. Oh no. Oh yeah. And now we up here. What do we do now? Oh no. Oh no, no, the dogs. Okay, that's maybe a good idea. Huh. Oh no. Okay, now we're getting to the last area for this part. So there's a lot of, but in this video. So let's start over here. There's a woman. Oh yeah. And then, oh no. What do I see? Okay, I'm just gonna cut all the squares. Then I will be right. I didn't really did that much, but no. Oh no. Huh, bad dog. Stay right there. Wiggly. Yeah, I didn't cut all the grass, but I think fine. What do you guys rate it? I kinda like it. Look how clean it is. And yeah, I found a slingshot. And then when I was cutting grass, I found this. So let's see. Oh, there's another slingshot. Oh my god, can you be quiet for a second? Thank you, bro. He's so annoying. Okay, and remember what you guys about that plants? Well, I just also did that, and then you can grow plants, and then you can blend it, and then it can be to something that you can spray water. And I got a good idea. What is that sound? Okay, my plan is that I will take this. I will yes, this one right here, and then there, and I will spray this way on the dog, and then I will slingshot with the bees, and then hopefully the bees are getting attracted to the dogs. No, wait, the bees are getting attacked. No, yeah. And now. Oh my god, but you gotta be kidding me. Come over here, doggy. Doggy. Oh no. So now we would. I need to do it fast. Yes. And then the slingshot. Where is it? No, I missed. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Oh my god, I did it. That's revenge. Do not disturb my cat. Are you okay, Mr. Dog? Oh no, I don't think that it's okay. Yeah, I think that was all. Remember, remember to check my other videos out and subscribe to me because I do a lot of stuff videos. So what do we say? Oh no, oh no, oh. Subscribe. Fat dog.